Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Dyson Complete Airwrap. So the Dyson Complete Airwrap comes in this huge box and it looks something like this. This is where the air comes out. Let me show you guys. It's got several attachments in the box, and talking about the attachments, you can customize them on their website according to the kind of hair you have and the kind of styling you need. So I basically have straight hair naturally, so I went with the Complete Airwrap. My Complete Airwrap came with several attachments which I'm going to be showing you. This one here is the blow dryer. There are two brushes which I use as hair straighteners. It straightens my hair in like 10 minutes. Comes with two big barrels to curl your hair and two smaller ones again to curl your hair, like based on the kind of styling you want. And this one here is to get that volume, blow dried kind of hair, which I rarely use. I think I should use this, but there's an attachment as well. I already styled my hair using these two big barrels, and I'm going to be showing you how I did that and how I achieved this look. Let's get started with the tutorial. So it's been like about 40 minutes since I have washed my hair. I usually like to air dry my hair, but if I have to go out really quick, then I use this guy to blow dry my hair, which is super easy, which I'm going to be showing you in a minute. In order to use the air wrap, you need to make sure that your hair is medium dry. If it is soaking wet, it's not gonna work. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair. I always like to section my hair so that I can work on chunks and have those beautiful curls, like those Victoria's Secret curls, which I love. I'm not an expert. I'm not really good at sectioning, and my hair sometimes doesn't listen to me, but I'm going to be trying it anyway. Section and just clipping it in. So I'm just going to be working on this section on both the ends, and I'm going to be showing you how I use these two big barrels to achieve those curls. Okay, so I'm going to be working on my left side first. If you are confused as to which one to use, so you can identify by the arrows on these barrels. So if it is pointing this way, it means you're supposed to be using it for your left side, and this one's for your right. It's actually confusing, and I was really confused at the beginning, but then I learned and done. Now I'm going to be taking a small chunk of my left hair. I'm going to turn it on to the highest heat, and then I'm going to turn this on and just get it closer to my hair, and you will see the magic. So I like to do it for like about 10 seconds and then change the heat to cold and wait for like 5 seconds to achieve those curls. Can you see it? So beautiful. Doing the same thing. You need to be patient. You need to be really patient. And do the same thing. Settings done. has changed my hair game and how I don't have to visit the salon at all. I can do it all by myself at home, DIY. And these are gorgeous looking curls, and I'm all ready to go out and party. This tool right here uses very minimal heat, and I can say that for sure because I have used a lot of hair straighteners and hair colors before, which used to produce so much heat and would damage my hair. But this one right here does produce some heat, but not as much as the ones that I used before, which could severely damage your hair. Very easy and quick to style your hair, just like how you can get it done in a salon. I paid about $560, and I think I paid the entire amount for this box right here. It's so huge, it's so heavy, and I feel like this box is completely unnecessary. It's so heavy and I can't carry it everywhere. I feel that this is a huge waste for me, at least, because I can't carry it everywhere. It's very expensive. I mean, for a hairdryer you are spending about $560, then people might be like, are you insane? But I just love styling my hair, and I don't visit salon very often. You need to actually invest some time to learn how to use the tool, which is like, usually you don't you buy a straightener, you just start using it, but you need to spend some time. You need to watch a lot of videos, YouTube videos, and you need to learn how to use the tool, which is I don't call it a disadvantage, but for me it took a lot of time to actually learn how to use this stuff. Last but not the least, do I recommend this product? 100% yes, I do recommend this product. It's an amazing product and it has changed my hair game and how. Although it's a huge investment, it is something that every girl should own, is what I feel, because I'm not someone who visits salon very often, and I like styling my hair, so I thought this is one of the best things that I bought for myself. So I'm going to be linking the Dyson Complete Airwrap in the description below for you guys to see. Also, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram account, please do follow me there. I'll link my Instagram account as well in the description because I post a lot of stuff there, so please do follow me. Also, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.